Okay, so on number 10, we are given a graph and we have to figure out which one of these will match the graph. So here I see that I have x, I have a closed circle, so I know that it's going to have the or equal to part, and it's pointing to the right, so that means greater than. And it also happens to be at -2. So I'm looking for one of these that has x is greater than or equal to -2. Okay, so the first one I have is 3x minus 1 is less than or equal to -7. Drop my line down. I add 1 to both sides. I'm left with 3x is less than or equal to -6. Divide both sides by 3, and I have that x is less than or equal to -2. Now we have the -2 part, we have the or equals to part, but our inequality is going the wrong direction, so that one's probably not going to be it. And we will do our check if we find one that does match our answer. So the next one, we have 2x plus 1 is less than or equal to 5. Drop our line down, subtract 1 from both sides, and we're left with 2x is less than or equal to 4. Divide both sides by 2, and we're left with x is less than or equal to 2. We're looking for -2 here, so that's probably not going to be our answer choice. Next one, we have -3x is less than or equal to 6. Drop my line down. I see for the first time that I have a negative in front of my x, or a negative coefficient, so I know that my inequality sign is going to flip as soon as I divide both sides by -3, so I'm left with x is greater than or equal to -2. Now that matches, so let's go ahead and check it. First I'm going to check my number part. So I have -3 times -2 is less than or equal to 6, or I'm sorry, is equal to. We want to change that to an equal sign on this part. So I know that -3 times -2 gives me 6. Is 6 equal to 6? It sure is, so the number part's correct. Now let's check our inequality sign. So since this graph matches, we can see that 0 is a solution, so we'll use that. I have -3 times 0 is less than or equal to 6. -3 times 0 is 0, so is 0 less than or equal to 6? It is. So that's probably going to be our answer choice. Let's check the last one just to make sure. We have 2x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 5. So I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides, and I'm left with 2x is greater than or equal to 4. Divide both sides by 2, and I have x is greater than or equal to a +2. So that's not what we're looking for, so we have found our answer.